In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the process of downloading and installing the Telegram app to your Android smartphone. So this should work on Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, and other Android-based phones. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Play Store button. And now on this page, select the search button at the bottom, and you want to search for Telegram. One of the best results should say Telegram. There's over 1 billion downloads. Go ahead and select install. Give that a moment. And you can see at this point, you can select open, and that's pretty much it. Then you just would sign in. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.